I'm finna give a scenario of the typical ratchet female, and then the typical ratchet ass trifling nigga. She asked me who the fuck I was, I told her that my CD name. She said she love rappers, I said shawty, I don't play them games. Remy weed, red bottom, she stuck on that simple shit. Rolled a blunt in front of her, man I bet you bound to hit. Never had a father, so she think you supposed to buy her shit. Never had her own, she depends off the government. She be fly fuck though, her kid, they be hurting though. Catch her in the club like Earl of the week though. Then she just a lost soul, no ambition, she hate gold. Ain't got no money, wanting pussy, she say cutthroat. Mama be the same way, why you think she so trained? You tell her you in love with her, she thinking that you so lame. Her favorite show is Housewives, saying that she be that bitch. Truthfully, she trifling, but she don't even know that shit. Don't go for oil if you paid, man, she sucking dick. What I'm trying to say is never ever trust a bitch. And that real shit though. You know what I'm saying? You got a man that been with since day one. You need to keep that one. Stop fucking these ratchet hoes. That's just a lesson for me. You know what I'm talking about? They out to get you. They already trained for the shit. I ain't only know talking on getting a birth too. He say he a baller, but he living with his mama though. Buy special shit in denial that he really broke. Big rims, no crib, his priorities fucked up. Never see his kids, but his other kids jade up. Baby mama drama, wretched hoes, it's his prototype. Watching all them videos, knowing he can't live that life, knowing he ain't bout the life, trying to be who he ain't. Never really growed up, acting like he on a bank. Trifling last nigga, spend his all on the stripper though. Say he got them bands, but he throwing up his card note. Lame nigga, you a joking, real niggas know that shit. Give yourself a bad name, making other niggas rich. What I'm trying to say is, niggas be on stupid shit. Ladies thinking like a man, cause this nigga won't babysit. Finally find a clue, he already on child support. Lesson on the story, don't sell yourself short. Man, ladies, don't sell yourself short. You know that nigga want shit when you got with that nigga. I'm tired of y'all saying, fuck nigga, they ain't buy shit, they ain't this, they ain't that. You knew that nigga want buy shit. Look at his characteristics. But I'm tired of the situations and the same scenarios. I got people